So OneBlade Intimate is here. I'm going to show you here today and give you some facts about this. You see the primary use they say right here, but we're going to get this opened up. I'm going to talk to you about this battery, compare it to some of the other batteries and other ones. So here's what you get. There's also a manual that's in here. Kind of get that right there. So as you see, this is white, and you get the blade up here. You got the body. So this blade is a little different, mostly just in the looks it appears, compared to the other ones. You can see it's kind of got come back. So I mean, you could go both ways with this. We'll get the body out of here. So very thin, very small profile. You can see compared to like my fingers there. So yeah, very small. Fits well in the hand though, feels really nice. See, it's got some power there. Nice little recessed button that feels really nice. Very easy to find that and use that. So you got the Philips Norelco branding up here. This is where your attachments are going to go. Got some kind of specs here. So this does say right here, we'll go into, it's IPX7 water resistant. So I'll put the little description down there right now, but basically this is going to be fine for use in the shower, getting completely submerged, dropping this in the toilet, it's going to be fine. You can see right down here on the bottom, we've got the charging port. So again, visualize how big this is because the charging port takes up the bottom of that. So this is a pretty small device. Open up this side and then pull this out. So this is where we've got then the little charging piece here. So this is just USB only on this end. So you unfortunately kind of have to have your own brick, or if you've got an outlet that's got, you know, full size regular USB. And then this is what's going to go into the bottom there. So as I said, to show you the size of this, I mean, that's how big this is, so that's how it fits into charge. So then the other things they gave us here, they give you one of these heads. So this is really nice for travel. This just covers up your blade. So this literally just pops in and attaches. Get that lined up right here. To eject it, you can basically just pull this out here. So when you have this on, if you don't want to take this off and take it apart completely, this just covers up your blade. So what's funny is this kind of just looks like this is a normal blade in here, a regular blade, non-360 I guess. But you've pretty much got this white little cover on it that's essentially like a guard. So you actually cannot put this in here in this cover as is. You would have to disassemble, and I guess I'm assuming you can pop this off, this white piece, and then you can put the cover on it. There we go. So that does pop off. So essentially this is a little guard, and then this can then go into here. You can see you can cover that up. Then you just have to have these two guards then separate. So looking at the manual here, they call this the skin protect, this white piece. And then the body comb is the kind of yellow one here. So they don't give a depth to like number 5 here, the skin protect. So I don't think that does have any like guard effect where you're changing the length of it. I think it's just to help, like it says, protect the skin. And then the 3mm is what the green one is. So yeah, that's something that you don't get with like the OneBlade face and body, the OneBlade Pro. So this pops on. As you see though, like I said, I kind of don't like, it would have been nice if you just made a different attachment here for this to cover up, you know, with this on, because if you're using this for the intended purpose as kind of the intimate razor, you would think you would want to just keep this on pretty much all the time. But this looks like, you know, yeah, just literally pops right on there. So yeah, I can't put it back in here. If you want to put on this guard, then I guess same thing. I kind of thought the white, looking at the pictures, I thought this was just a different blade. But this is the exact same blade then that you can buy, you know, you use on the, not the 360, but on the, you know, regular face and body or on the Pro. So you take that off, and then this pops on for the 3mm body comb. Yeah, so for getting that on and off, it literally just says to hold both sides and push it in, pull it out. So it does, it snaps in very easily. Getting it out, you kind of just pull it off, I guess. So simple enough, clicks in, pull it off. So yeah, this is 3 millimeters. This is 0.2 millimeters if you just use this blade the way it is. And as I said, I believe this is also going to be 0.2 millimeters, but it's going to just protect your skin a little bit better. So that just clicks on. You're not going to get snagged on the edges there. Nobody wants that. So because this doesn't exactly like touch, you know, you got a little bit of, like I said, the 0.2 millimeters. You don't have to use any lubrication like shaving cream or gel. So, you know, I've used this blade for a couple of years now on my face, and I never use any lubrication on that. I just shave my face like this. So that's one nice thing with this. You're not getting like a, you know, full-on razor shave right down to your skin, but the good thing is you don't get the irritation then, and you don't have to use like lubrication and worry about that. You can go both ways with this. And they do say these blades can last up to 4 months. Doing 2 weekly shaves is what they say. I'll tell you, I've used this on my face much longer than that, like 3 times longer than that, honestly. You know, if you start noticing that it's not really doing a great job anymore, then obviously replace it. But like I said, this just seems like this is just the regular blade that you would be buying for your other models as well. Quick test I want to do is see if you can use this 360 blade on here as well, because theoretically it should. Okay, there we go. So I can confirm the 360 blade fits onto this also. So they say 360, it's not truly like 360. You still have this way back and forth. You can see there's a little more wobble, there's a bit more mobility than like on this one. You've got, you know, you've got that amount this way. Kind of similar here, but this one you basically get a little bit of rocking. You get this way, this way. So that's the 360 when they talk about their 360 blades and their 360 model. It's really, you're just getting this added on. It's not a full like 360. Yeah, I mean, that works. If you want to do 360 blades on here, you know, you can still use that. This cover isn't going to work with that 360 blade because it won't fit in there. But if you want to use this, let's see. You can get the that 3 millimeter body comb on there, and you can get a little bit more mobility this way. Again, pull that off. So this design isn't great, just being a pull-off design, because it can probably do that and rip that out, but not a huge deal. But so yeah, your 360 blades can go on this as well. And then lastly, if we want to take that skin protection part on here, just to illustrate, again, this is the 360 blade that does not come with it, but this should just be able to also go right onto here. Yep, so we're clicked in, so now you've got a 360 skin protect blade on this one. So as I said, this is IPX7 resistance. It's going to be fine in any water. Like I said, you drop this in the toilet, it's going to be fine. It's going to be sealed up. You're not going to have any issues. So the one thing with this is a NIMH nickel metal hydride battery. That's the same type of battery that's in the OneBlade 360 and face and body. The Pro version has a lithium ion battery. So the charging's just a lot quicker. It lasts a lot longer. Your device, the battery life overall is typically longer with a lithium ion. So the nickel metal hydride is what's in here. So that gives you 30 minutes of active use, and it's going to be like an 8-hour charge in between. So you are going to have to charge this a little bit longer. You know, you get a little bit less time. I believe it's 90 minutes on like the lithium ion one for the Pro. So yeah, not quite the same as like the Pro model, but that's also reflected in the price. If you wanted to get, you know, other blades, you could probably just use this on your face and have one blade and then have another blade with your skin protect on this here. I think that would be a good option as well. But this looks like this is gonna be a cool little razor. If you wanna grab this, there's gonna be an affiliate link in the comments and description. I've reviewed a few of their other OneBlade razors as well, so definitely check that out on the channel here. I'll have a few videos popping up at the end. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.